What's going on, team? I'm glad you made it back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own at-home suspension trainer. So I know a lot of people don't have a TRX or maybe rings or another form of suspension trainer at their home, and they're finding it a little hard to exercise at their own home, or they're getting bored with the same exercises. They don't find them maybe as effective. So doing this is definitely going to get you a almost endless variety of exercises that you can do at your house. And later on in this series, I'll be showing you different body parts that you'll be able to focus on while using the suspension trainer, and just a bunch of different exercises that you can use to maximize this output. I'm going to show you how to do that now. The first thing that you're going to want to do, well, pretty much the only thing that you're going to want to do is do it yourself. Very, very simple and easy. Is get something like a blanket or even a towel or a very, very long dress, something you can pretty much hook into your door frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up your door, right, and you're going to hook them through. Make sure you have enough clearance, right, and right there, they get stuck into your door, and you can use old blankets like I'm using now, and they get pretty secure in your door. Now there's a few ways to change it up, and what I like about this is because right now you're going to be able to maximize your grip strength when you hold on to them, because you're not really holding on to anything right now. You have to really squeeze your hands in order to maintain your balance and maintain your grip onto this. Now you can also do it another way. If you open up the door, right, you can change how you hook it in. So if you put it in, loop it in halfway, hold on to the top, and now bring it down. Make it a little cane for you. And close your door. Now, it's like you're simulating having a handle. So you can use it for a regular grip here. You can underhand grip, and if you still want to do a neutral grip, you can. And if you want to hold it on how we had before, you still can as well. Make it thicker, so now you have an even tougher grip to hold on to. You can do that because now you're putting the blanket together to make it wider. The only downfall I see in doing it this way is that if you don't have an extremely long blanket or piece of equipment, right, you're going to have to shorten the range of motion that you're doing, which isn't really, for most exercises, this will probably be good. But if you're going to want to use it for floor exercises, it may not be the best, right? So I'll show you with the other piece as well. Just take it, fold it in half the long ways, hold on to your handle, put it through the door, right? Here, you close your door. Now they're uneven, but you get the point, right? You're able to go from here and do any type of your exercises. Now, if you don't have a sturdy door frame or something you may not trust so well, there's another way to maximize how you do this as well. Right? You can take both your forms of cloth or whatever you're hanging through your door. You take the end and you take this end, right? You tie them together in a knot, just a plain regular knot. And what I want to do, just so you maximize safety, is you do a double knot, right? Cross it, take the pieces, and you cross them again, right? Make sure they're extremely tight and secure. Alright. Real nice and tight. Now, what you do is you take this piece and put it right behind the door. So, right. Separate them here. That way you're looking close. Nice and close. So now you don't have to worry about if for whatever reason your blanket is too thin or you don't make it too thick up top, don't have to worry because now it can close properly. And that knot, see, this might start to hang loose, but now that knot's not gonna let it go anywhere. So you'll be able to hang. Hold on. Secure the knot. There. Right. There you go. So you'll be able to hang and do all your exercises without having to worry about the blankets going through the window, because that knot's always going to be right behind the door, securing it so that this doesn't go anywhere, right? And all the different exercises you can do, stretches with them, depending on where your door is. If your door is in the middle of a hallway, you can do different exercises where you're able to expand as well. But the door I'm using right now is against the wall, so you're almost a little limited to the exercises that you can do. But now, in a different video, I'll be able to show you exercises where you can use both sides. So that's it for how to make your own suspension trainer system at your home with limited supplies, literally 2 supplies, and they're the same supply and the door, right? So you'll be able to maximize your exercises, give yourself a whole new experience of exercises. Or if you really love suspension trainers and you don't have one, or you can't afford one at this moment, or the shipping for it is going to take months or weeks and you don't want to wait, this is a very good substitute for a suspension trainer that you can do at home for a bunch of different exercises. Also, if you're not so advanced and you really want to start doing exercises and you're seeing a bunch of videos of people using exercises that you feel like aren't the best for you, you can't perform well, or they give you bad form, this will definitely be able to help you with some form, because you'll be able to alleviate some of your own body weight to make it easier for you to do some of those exercises. Thank you for watching this video. It means a lot for you to be supporting the channel. If you like the video, please make sure to like and hit that notification bell so you get a notification every single time that we do upload a new video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date with all the videos that we are posting here. And also leave a comment down in the comment section below if you have any more tips, or you want to see anything more for a new video series, or you're focusing on a different body part and you want to see specific exercises for that. And I'll definitely make sure to make some videos for you for that as well. Like I said, thank you for watching. Stay awesome. Squeeze, breathe, and breathe through all these exercises, and take care. Peace. Come on.